Mayen call sermon Tifidwe, and Northern Regional Minister ye Alhaji Sani Alhassan Shaibu, and they would be out near a hole when the month said no bayanka, Kuafua abo humo de dua aswa, Kebenya son faso so minor, over to when in Aquabrand dano quenchi dese, de ko be myso, a had dream on Adom TV, et was so.
Atifido Mantemu Swafo, Premtobre Kasee, Intercontinental Group Ghana Limited Office and Warehouse Complex, Yampen for Pound to Mawatamaleno Ase, and a watcher say, a hard dream per ye, so man for no for Quamaneso, a dinyani if your momentum no more, a quite mindful for emo. Naso Swafo ye tredia, I shall do a woman town the mono, a one or man for nom, a dinyani no effa adequate man for fro emo. Nenam dear question into no, open ye tredia and share my bamboo some fenya ne hono, a hojo, copem sempany for bitim ya bibi, a faho, and nunti, Ojana and so den Krato, and my security agencies are who won my mo, some more modia, so the papi on Betchano, so would disadge money bibiano, on Bemamra and no Eddie.
The alarming situation of which food crops in the region is being carried out without permission. The food crops pass through our borders such as Tatali, Baga, Aflao, Elugu, amongst others. It means the food security we are hoping to achieve will not be realized if we allow this act to continue. As the chairman of RECSEC, I therefore directed the security agencies to arrest and prosecute individuals or organizations caught in this unscrupulous act. As partners in development, the Continental Group Ghana Limited should therefore support providing information to security to curb this act. On this note, I wish to once again thank the organizing committee for not only inviting me to be part of this important program, but proposing me as a guest of honor.
Enwechi, General Manager Emma ICJGL no, Ora Mohammed Isifu, and so card to us say, fertilizer man for no area no and so ya how Kasee pa, ne senteno, I wasn't penny for you to make a one who a boom, no more equity.
Collectively, as importers, distributors, retailers, our regulators, Ministry of Food and Agriculture, together with the security agencies, will have to collaborate in order to reduce the menace of fertilizer smuggle, if not eradicate it completely.